Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to play on Betway. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now, let's get started. First of all, open your web browser. Then, on the search bar, type in betway.com. Once you type it in, you'll get to this website. Now, on this website, you'll have to log into your account. If you don't have an account, you can sign up for one by clicking on the button where it says sign up now. If you already have an account, click on the login button. Then, you'll have to enter your username in the first box and your password in the second one. After that, click on login. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link to recover it. Now, go ahead and click on this button. Once you click on it, you'll be logged into your account. To see your account, you can click on this arrow icon, and it will show your bank balance. Now, to play on this website, all you have to do is scroll a bit down. In the In Play section, you can choose your sport. You can either bet on football, tennis, table tennis, esports, basketball, cricket, and so on. I'll just select football. Then, you'll have to select any matches. So, I'll click on this one. Now, I can place my bet. All you have to do is click on the odds. You can select as much as you want. Then, you'll have to enter your stake in these boxes. After that, click on this deposit button. Once you click on this button, you'll have to deposit some amount into your account. And once you have a balance in your account, you'll get a bet button in this area. Once you click on bet, your bet will be placed. And that's how you play it. Once you win the bet, you can again go to your account, then click on this withdraw button to cash out. So, this is how you play it. I hope this video was helpful. And if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time I upload new videos. I'll catch you on the next one.